Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Kanza. Today I am sharing a special recipe that's perfect for any celebration, a delicious Zarda or Meethe Chawal. It's packed with flavor and the perfect way to impress your guests or treat your loved ones. So let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the rice. First, take a pot and fill it with water. Add in about 300 grams of rice along with 2 cinnamon sticks and 4 cloves for that amazing aromatic flavor. Now add 2 teaspoons of yellow food color to give the rice that beautiful red. You boil the rice and then strain the water, so set it aside in a dish. Step 2. Add sugar and dry fruits. Next, take your rice and add 3 cups of sugar. Mix it well so the sugar coat the rice. Now, to add some extra sweetness and crunch, throw in a half cup of colorful ashrafia murabba, a quarter cup each of chopped almonds and pistachios, and half a cup of raisins. Mix everything together and set it aside. Step 3. Cooking with ghee and spices. Now in a separate pot, heat about 2.5 tablespoons of ghee. Once it's nice and hot, add 2 teaspoons of cardamom powder and let it roast for a minute so the flavors really come out. Now carefully add the rice mixture to the pot, cover it and let it steam for about 30 minutes so it all comes together perfectly. Step 4. Add khoya and serve. After 30 minutes, give it a good mix, and then for that final touch, add half cup of khoya on top of your zarda. It's going to make it extra creamy and rich, and there you have it. Your delicious zarda is ready to serve. This sweet, flavorful zarda is perfect for any special occasion or even just as a treat for your family. I really hope you try this recipe at home. It's sure to be a hit. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Cooking with Kanza for more mouth-watering recipes. I would love to hear your thoughts and any twist you added to the recipes. So drop them in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today and